then I've got Scully, my skeleton, who's actually male, but you know, you take what you can get. Let's get down here. And so those cards on the top, those are where I do wraps per inch for different yards. You can see I label them, put the wraps per inch and the type of twist the yarn has. So I have records for all of the yarns I've used. Yeah, it's scary. And then these are swatches of things that either I have recently done or are coming up in the queue to get done. So these are swatches. This one is quite big because I was testing out a sleeve and I wanted it to have a certain shape, so I had to do it big enough that I could test that. And my felt knitting bag, which when I'm not traveling, it just holds stuff. And theoretically, I can throw what I need in there when I need to take stuff someplace. It's felt and it's got kind of an embossed surface. It's very cool. Oh, this is cool. It's called a rabbit punch, and it is used to put punch holes in patterns that are made out of either butcher paper or pattern tag. So that's left over from my days of pattern making, and it currently gets used as a doorstop. And this is my door to the deck, which currently has a paper shade on it because it gets super hot in here otherwise with the sun beating in. There's my yoga mat, which I use in Pilates, and behind that is a circle light, which quite frankly I don't think is very effective. And then some flat patterns. So this is so you punch these holes and then you have these pattern hooks and you hang stuff. So I still use them, but not for flat pattern very often. So those are the 3 patterns that I'm currently getting ready for the Pattern Tailor launch. And some of them have many versions, and I'm not quite ready to throw all the paper away. And below that, or in front of that, these are samples that need to be sorted out. This is a really nice cozy I knitted before we went to Australia. I'm going to put this down here so I can hold up cozy somehow. Let's see if we can. Okay, so this is slip stitches. If you know me, you know I can't stand doing color work